Signing in to your smart interactive display powered by IQ gives you many opportunities to enhance the classroom experience without connecting your computer. Once signed into your display, you can personalize your settings and favorites, access your cloud storage, find your favorite apps and lessons, create favorites and bookmarks, and personalize custom widgets. Accessing these features is as easy as signing in. To sign into your smart display, tap the blue icon to open the Notification Center. At the bottom of the Notification Center, tap Sign In. It is recommended you sign in with a Google or Microsoft account provided by your school. After you have signed in, you will see a welcome message next to the sign in icon. You can now personalize your display settings, such as selecting a custom background, and save links to your favorite web pages, apps, and more. Signing in will create access to your personalized IQ setup every time, eliminating the need to enter long passwords in front of your class. Signing in brings your favorite tools front and center, allowing you to quickly start teaching. Signing in to your display allows you to download files from Google Drive or OneDrive to use on your display. To enable this feature, tap the Settings icon, then Files Library, then Google Drive and/or OneDrive integration. To access your cloud files, tap Files Library and select the appropriate folder option at the top of the screen to open Google Drive or OneDrive in the built-in browser. Choose your file and download. Once downloading is complete, return to your Files Library, tap Downloads next to My Files, then tap your file to open it. If you are a Lumio user, one of the most powerful benefits to signing in is the ability to launch Lumio lessons directly from your display with just a tap. Once you are finished, sign out with one tap to keep all your files secure. When you sign back in, all of your files, settings, bookmarks, and favorites will be ready to go. With features such as file access on multiple displays, Google and OneDrive integration, and Lumio Final Sync, signing in to your interactive display with IQ personalizes your experience and enhances student engagement. Explore the Getting Started in 5 Steps resources to learn more about all of the exciting features of your smart interactive display powered by IQ.